this is Sabrina with the Zois team, and I wanted to tell you guys about some cool opportunities that you have for Mother's Day this year. Things are still a little different. We're still in the middle of a pandemic, but that doesn't mean that you have to stay at home. So there are some social distance friendly things that you can do on Mother's Day. There's a lot of outdoor things that you can do here in Vegas. There's the Neon Museum, there's Springs Preserve. There's local parks everywhere. There's hiking trails. So there's a lot of really fun things that you can do for Mother's Day there. There's also a lot of really great restaurants here in town. Quite a few of them are having Mother's Day specials. If you check out our blog, we've got some restaurants on there. You can also search for Mother's Day specials on Open Table. And a lot of the restaurants are actually putting their specials there. So you can take a peek and see what kind of tickles your fancy for a meal. And there is a lot of really great online activities. So if you do feel like you want to stay home, there are virtual cooking classes, wine tastings, tea parties, all sorts of really cool stuff. Some of them you register for free and you buy your own ingredients and you join the live stream and cook together. Or there are some where you pay for a ticket and they will ship the supplies to you. So they'll ship you all the ingredients and everything you need. I know there's some virtual spas, so they'll send you a manicure pedicure kit for two. There's also paint night at home, so they will send you everything you need to paint whatever it is that they're gonna teach you how to paint during that class, and then you join the live stream and do it there. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do. We've got a great list here for you. If there's something that we missed, please let us know. If you're watching this video outside of our blog, I will include a link for the blog here for you, so that way you can go take a look and see what interests you. And again, if there's an event that we're missing that you want to see on here, please feel free to let us know. You can email us at events@lasvegashomesold.com, and we'll see about getting that on the blog here for you. So enjoy Mother's Day if you are celebrating, and if you have any questions or about real estate or refinancing, looking to buy or sell, or have a family member who's looking to buy or sell in the Las Vegas area, please let us know. We are totally happy to help, and we would love your business or your referrals for your family members.